So now we will study about DQDB or distributed queue dual bus, distributed queue dual bus. So distributed queue dual bus, that is DQDB. Okay. So where this is used first. So it is nothing but some characteristics of DQDB. Okay. So first it is data link layer communication protocol. For man. Next it is an IEEE 802.6 standard. Okay. The third point is it is designed both for voice and video. Designed for both voice and video. The next is the topology used in DQD dual bus, which use two unidirectional bus. Topology used in dual bus, which uses two unidirectional buses. It can be extend up to 30 miles at 34 to you can say 55 Mbps. And another is dual queue is independent of physical size of the network. Physical size of the network. So these are the some characteristics of DQDB. Okay. So here let us draw how this basically works, how this DQDB basically works. Okay. So let us say there is a bus, that is bus A. So let us see, this is a bus A, and it will, this is the bus A, and this is your nothing but unidirectional. Okay, so this is a unidirectional. Okay, and another, there is a bus B is also there. Okay, let us draw down. Okay, and there are some systems. So let us say this is C1, C2, C3, C4, and suppose say C5. Okay, so these are the systems. So now data will come from A to this one. So this will be some input port, and obviously there should be some, if data wants to go from here, from this one to the bus, if C1 wants to send the data from C1 to the bus, it will use this output port. Same thing for all the systems. Okay, and for the bus, this one, and this is a forward line, forward bus, and obviously this is the backward. Okay, and for this bus B, same thing, this one, this is the, these are all the systems, and so on. Okay, so if suppose if now one two things you have to remember, what is that upstream and downstream. Okay, so when if you consider this A, this C1 and C2 will be the upstreams. Okay, so this is the upstream C1, and if you consider A, this forward bus, so C1 and C2 will be the upstreams, and corresponding C4 and C5 will be the downstreams. And if you consider the bus B, this C5 will be then upstream, C4 is upstream, and this will be the downstream. Okay, so this will be the downstream, so you have to keep in remember. And another thing you have to remember that suppose C1 wants to send the data to the C3, so it will do what? So it will transmit the data through this output port. This will be transmitted like this way. Okay, and it will comes over here, and C1 have to understand, or you have to keep the information that the C3 is in which whether C3 is in this right hand side or left hand side. So accordingly it will choose the bus A or bus B. Okay, and corresponding the if B wants to send some data, suppose C5 want to send some data to C3, then it will have to keep the information that where is the C2 is there. Okay, so it will, and accordingly it will choose the corresponding B or A. So in this case, if C5 has the information where C2 is, so it will choose this bus B, and data will transmit from there to in this part to C2. Okay, so this way this dual queue distributed system dual bus is operated. Okay, and how does these cells are the information is kept in the cells. So how these cells are being transmitted? It is the cells are transmitted in FCFS, that is first come first serve format. So another thing is the cells are transmitted on first come first serve basis. Okay, so this is all about the distributed queue dual bus. Okay, thank you.